Let us explore Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a platform that can be used by teachers and students for streamlining the process of sharing files, grading assignments, as well as it provides a very good communication medium. In the upcoming videos, we will explore about classes, stream, classwork, people, and grades. In order to create a new class, you need to go to Google Classroom. So you can open the link classroom.google.com, or alternatively, you can click on Google Apps, scroll down to Classroom. Then next click on the plus sign here and then click on Create Class. So a dialog box opens up and here the class name is a required field. So let me create a class by the name BSc Honors Computer Science. Let section be A, subject be Computer Science, and so on. And then click on Create. So the class has been created, as you can see over here, by the name BSc Honors Computer Science. And you can see here 4 tabs: Stream, Classwork, People, and Grades. So let us explore each of one of them in detail. On the Stream page, you can see the name of the class. Then below it, you can see the class code. So this is the code which you can share with your students if you want them to join this class. Then there is a Meet link. So when you click on Generate Meet link, you can connect with students for distance learning. So just click again, Generate Meet link. So this is the link that has been generated and it will be visible to students. You can disable it also if required. Let me save it. So the link generated is here. So if you want to have a class with students and you would like that the students should be able to have a virtual meeting with you, then you can use this Meet link. You can customize this background of the class also. So you can select a theme from here. And there are various themes that are available. You can go to the subject of your choice and then select an appropriate theme. Say I'm selecting this one and the theme is updated. You can also upload a photo if required from your system and that will appear here. Now here you can see the announcements and whatever you would like to share with your students in the form of assignments, materials, quiz, or any other kind of communication. So the stream is basically a social hub for the teacher and students, and the students can actually see all the announcements, or as I said, materials, assignments, quizzes, whatever is posted by the teacher here. Now let us add an announcement. For that you need to click on Announce Something to your class. Here is the class name and say this is for all students. Let us announce that today online class at 1 p.m. So this is a kind of an announcement only, and you can add files also to the announcement if required, and then you can post the announcement right away, or another option is you can schedule it also. So for that you need to click on the drop down and then click on schedule. So when you click on that, it will ask you when do you want to schedule the announcement. So you can, like, I want to schedule it for December 18th and 8 a.m. and then schedule. So this means that the announcement has not been posted, but it will be posted on December 18th at 8 a.m. Next, let us explore the classwork tab. In the classwork, you can see that there is a create button. Right now nothing has been assigned to the class, that is why it is blank. And you can also see the Meet link here. So from here also you can go to Google Meet and start the class, online class. And there is a Google Calendar link which is meant for this class, where you can schedule the meetings and all. And then there is a class drive folder. So whatever material, whatever assignments, whatever questions and whatever quizzes you have made for the class, that goes here in the class drive folder. Now let us begin by creating something for the class. So let us create a material. So this window pops up. Suppose I want to start with the syllabus. And then you can add a file from either Google Drive, or it can be a link, or it can be from your system, or it can be a YouTube link also. So you can add the file and then click on post. And just like the announcement can be either posted or scheduled, similarly here also the material can also be scheduled if required. So you can schedule it from here, or if you want to post it right away, then you can click on post. Now the material has been posted, as you can see over here in the classwork, and it is posted at 11:52 p.m. And if I go back to the stream, you can see here there is an update that from this account a new material has been posted by the name syllabus. So going back to classwork, let us create now a topic. Tape theory. And let me create another topic. Practicals. So these are basically the topics, and you can add content within these topics so that it makes more sense that what the content is all about. For example, let me create now an assignment, and let this be, say, practical 1. You can add the instructions and you can add the files, or you can create a file also. I mean, it can be a Google Doc or slide or sheet or any other drawing or form. And because this is an assignment, so here are the points. So you can assign points to the assignment. So for example, let it be for 10 marks, or you can leave it ungraded also. You can add a due date, that by when do you want the assignment to be submitted. You can add the time also, that is optional. And yes, you can add that to which part of the classwork this assignment belongs to. So for example, because this is a practical, so I'll add that this belongs to topic practicals, and then click on assign, or again alternatively you can schedule. Let me assign it right away. So here practical 1 has been assigned. This is the icon for material, like syllabus is the material, and practical 1 is the assignment. So this is the icon that signifies that this is an assignment. And again, the same is visible in the stream also. Yeah, you can see here the new update that practical 1 has been posted. Next, now let us create a quiz assignment. So the difference between an assignment and a quiz assignment is that in case of a quiz assignment, it automatically adds a blank quiz in the assignment. Let me give it the title as, say, quiz 1. You can add the optional instructions, and on the right the interface is same as that of an assignment, but here you can see the blank quiz has been added. So when I click on it, it will open a quiz in the new tab where you can add the questions, and it has the interface that is exactly the same as we have done in Google Forms. So you can add the questions, you can make them required, you can change the settings from here, you can preview it, you can add the answer key, and you can also view the responses here. And yes, you can rename the quiz also. Say quiz 1. if you go back here, although the name is not updated, but if you refresh the page, then it will show here quiz 1. And on the right hand side, you can either assign it or schedule it. So I'm assigning it again right away. So the quiz has also been assigned. Now suppose I want to move this quiz to a theory topic. So there is a very easy way out. You can simply drag and drop wherever you want to move any assignment or any quiz or anything that you have created from one topic to another or one place to another. This drag and drop feature is really helpful. You can create a question also for students. So here the question will appear and the type of answer that is expected. If it is multiple choice, then you have to give the options. Otherwise, if it is short answer type, then you can select that. And similarly, on the right hand side, you can make the settings and then click on ask. So let me type the question here. Click on ask. Again, you can schedule it also or ask right away. So here is the question, and then students can start answering them. It will appear on the stream also. Here you can see here. And if you want to change any settings after you have created anything over here in the classwork, you can click on this menu icon and then click on edit. So here the setting was that students can reply to each other. Suppose I want to turn it off, so you can just uncheck it. And if you want that students should be able to edit the answer later on, then you can click this option, or otherwise just let it remain unchecked and then click on save. So the settings can be changed for any of these topics also, as well as the classwork also. And then if you want to delete anything, so that is also very easy. Just click on this icon and then click on delete. It will ask for confirmation, and if you click on delete, that particular classwork will be deleted.